Nigeria Think Now channel. Basically, I'll be telling you what this channel is about and about me, Faith Aboje. I am a writer, a blogger, and the creator of Nigeria Think Now blog. You can find me or what I do more in the blog at nigeriathinknow.com. So, Nigeria Think Now is about adopting an eco-friendly lifestyle. Eco talks about the environment. It talks about green living. Eco is about sustainable living. You know, when I say green, I remember earlier this year I had a project I call the Green Project. I went to schools and I was teaching about waste management and what's happening around the ecosystem, like climate change. And one child asked a question. She said, "Why do you call this project green? I don't see any green colors around." Environment friendliness, green. That's what it means, basically, in a simple term. So, eco-friendly living is about eating the right food. It's about having the right nutrition. It's about going back to the organic, going back to nature. It's about the basics of what makes the environment work practically normal for us to have a beautiful living right in the ecosystem. Industrialization has happened. It is happening, and we keep having plastic all around. Plastic releases toxin that is not good for us, but we see that so many households use plastic to eat their food or drink from plastics today. You know why waste is harmful to you. It is harmful to the sea animals or sea creatures that we depend on, like fish and stuff like that. Our water is polluted, our land is polluted, everywhere is polluted. That is leading to flooding and toxins all over the place. Plants are polluted and all that. So we were talking about pollution, renewable energy, you know, things that would really enhance a beautiful and healthy environment for our own health. Building videos, rolling out videos about the lifestyle that suits this type of living, you know, so that we can reverse the effect of climate change. Climate change is actually happening, and we're having devastating effects, so many things happening everywhere. It's in the blog, nigeriathinknow.com. You'll find it there. I'll leave a link right down below where you can actually navigate to the blog very easily, you know. So many things are here for us to learn from. I'll give an example of myself. The way I came about this kind of living, I'm still trying to adjust my lifestyle to an eco-friendly type of lifestyle. It all happened when I got really very sick. Right a few years ago, I had fibroids, which is a hormonal kind of problem in my body. You know, if you know fibroids, there are no drugs for fibroids. You just have to go through a procedure to take them out of you. Did a lot of research. That's how I started changing the food I eat. I used to eat a lot of sugar. I had to stop sugar. I ate a lot of processed foods. I stopped processed foods. Now I'm sticking to my diet. I'm sticking to eating good food. But there are certain things I cannot avoid. That's having the environment polluted, and it's affecting me. I buy food which I think are natural from the market, but these foods are chemically produced with a lot of pesticides, herbicides, like I talked about in my food and health video. So some of these things are very, very difficult to do, and you can do your little part, which will help out. So I'm inviting you to subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button right below and the notification bell to get notifications to the videos that I upload always. And then share the video with your friends. Please do that. Let them know what's going on. Let them get the benefit of living an eco-friendly lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Bye.